Did you know that there are over 1.7 billion websites on the internet? A whopping 600 million of those sites are blogs. With this many websites and blogs out there, how do you make sure yours gets noticed? How can you create a popular blog with an engaged readership, who come back often for new content, and maybe even earn money off of your writing? We're here to help you answer some of these questions. If you want to create a popular blog or elevate your existing blog, this is the article for you. Read on to learn more. Determine your niche and stick with it. This is a tricky one. Many bloggers start out wanting to do one thing and then end up doing something else, or they start wanting to do all the things. If you want to be a food blogger, be a food blogger, but don't stray too far from that. Your readers follow you for recipes and food-related content, not political ramblings, mommy blogger content, or sponsored posts that have nothing to do with food or cooking. At the same time, you can't be everything to everyone. Lifestyle blogs often try to do this by including family posts, recipes and cooking posts, sponsored content, DIY tutorials, etc. While this might work for some very successful bloggers, it's easiest to start out in one niche, and then as you gain a large readership, consider branching out. If you really want to be successful and create a profitable blog, pick a smaller niche with less competition, pick something you are passionate about, and do your market research. Know what's out there already so you can slide into an unfulfilled need. Produce valuable content. Quality content is what your readers want. They need to get something from your posts, whether it's humor, a recipe, DIY directions, etc. Content that is useful to your reader will keep them coming back regularly and drive them to share your content with others. You should post on your blog regularly, and if possible, try to stick to the same schedule. You don't have to post every day. Rather, you can choose a schedule and stick to it. Most people read blogs during the week, so 2 to 4 posts during the week gives your readers valuable content regularly, but doesn't become overwhelming for you. Tutorials or pillar content is especially useful, particularly if it is evergreen, which means that it holds its value over time. A recipe, for example, is something that readers may come back to over and over again. A tutorial for a DIY project is the same. Making your content easily shareable is also key. Include buttons at the bottom of your posts to share on Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, etc. Make sure your site is SEO friendly. If you want your blog to rank in the various search engines, you need to make sure it follows search engine optimization principles. To make sure it is SEO friendly, use keywords to help your posts rank in Google and other search engines. When a reader is searching for a specific topic, you want your post to come up at the top of the searches. To do this, you should use keywords in the body of your blog post, including the introduction, conclusion, and at least one of your headers. Don't overstuff your post with keywords, though, as Google will often penalize you if they sense that you are keyword stuffing. You should also make sure your title is short enough to be tweeted and include a SEO description that will show up in the search engine results and draw in your readers. Use social media. Not only do you want your readers to be able to easily share your posts on social media, you need to promote your own work on your social media sites as well. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok can all help you grow your audience. Social media is a great place to interact with your readers as well, especially if they have questions about your tutorials, recipes, etc. To make it easier on yourself, you can use apps to schedule your social media posts ahead of time, just like you can schedule your blog posts. Create a network of other bloggers. Blogging is often about reading and commenting on other blogs, who read and comment on yours, and link to your posts. Guest posting on other blogs is another way to grow your readership, as you typically will include a link to your own blog in that post. Pick bloggers in the same niche as yours and work to build your blogger network. By commenting on them or including them in your posts, they may come to your blog and do the same and even recommend your blog to their readers. Be patient. One of the most important things to remember is to be patient. You aren't going to organically grow your blog overnight. It takes time to grow your readership. It might take you months to years to really generate a loyal readership, so be patient and stick with it. Your hard work will eventually pay off. Creating a popular blog takes time and dedication. A popular blog isn't born overnight. You need to put in the work to gain readers and keep them around by producing quality content that is posted regularly. Use these tips and get started on building your brand and successful blog today. If you're ready to learn more about how to gain more readers and monetize your blog or online business, contact us at Otilium's Academy. We are here to help you with SEO, content creation, link building, and all aspects of growing your site and business.